and all our entertainments. Into the weekend! Please give it up for your pastor, Mr. Richard Space!
I just killed you with a phone call.
Not the first time.
Not the first time. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, band members and band memberettes, welcome to Dynamax. Do the Supernatural Movement and entertain all things Texas. Bigger is better. That's why we bring you two giant Texans to entertain you throughout the weekend. But first, we bring you two small Midwestern Southerners. Warm you up. We're like the oil on the side. We must make the skin supple before we can beat the tension out of it. Then we and Robbie a salad. As an ointment for your soul. As a second skin to take over that blister you got running around when you found out you actually were going to go see Jared, Jensen, Misha, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, and what is it? How excited were you? I'll tell you how excited were you. Were freaking flipping out. That's how excited you were. I think you are doing your very first. And I think you were Uno Supernatural Movement.
God damn, every single time.
Mercy. That's a lot. That's a lot of you. If we were in Texas, they'd say, that's a lot of you. But here in Texas, they say, well, that's a lot of you. Well, shoot.
That's a lot of y'all.
A lot of y'all? That's a lot of y'all. That's a lot of y'all. That's a lot of y'all. Someday I'm Joe McKinney.
That's a lot of y'all.
What's going on, y'all? I'm in Tennessee. Do you think I know how Texans talk?
You can feel it. Zoot-a-boop-bop-bop, y'all.
That's Gil McKinney, the dulcet tones of Gil McKinney. But let's not talk about him. He's not here right now. We're here. And you know who else is going to be here this weekend, Robbie? I don't know, but I want a handy guy. Well, shit, that coach is going to be here. Mark, a shepherd. Also, Mark, a Pellegrino. Squeeze a little lime on Mark Pellegrino with his light refreshing bubbly. Followed by light refreshing bubbly, we have Ted. We have Julian Richards. We also have, please don't storm out of the room when I say this, Osric Chow. Osric Chow will be here. Oh, surprise guest! Rob Benedict is going to be here in the room now. And let that be said that we don't support cosplay in pure forms, because this is one of the best Jody Mills costumes I've ever seen as worn by Emily Swallow. That's fantastic. Is that Emily Swallow cosplaying as Sheriff Jody Mills? She's a creepy super fan of Sheriff Jody Mills. It's really awkward to have her and Kim in the room at the same time. You know what's awkward? Everything. Everything that happens this week, if you're not ready, you're not prepared, you're thinking you're prepared. You've watched the videos online, talked to friends about it, you've gone into chat rooms to chat with. And you've been on social media, you've been diving into the Tumbleverse, the Twitterverse, the Facebookverse, and all the Snapchaverse, all the verses, right? They did all the verses. And the chorus and the bridge. Stay ready or not. 4 weeks later, by Sunday we'll be right to find it. It's happening. And you're going to see things you didn't think you wanted to see. Like Like yourself, crying when you meet Jared Benson. Shaking. Sign there. Sure, y'all. They're so Texas. I mean, they're just good old number sections from the heartland. They're gonna milk your pea-picking heart. Because you're just so damn handsome. How do they do it? Robbie? How do they do it?
Well, it's all in the must.
That's the must! Must. It'll make you do things you don't want to do. Things you swore to yourself you wouldn't do. Things you promised your daddy you wouldn't do. If he bought you a ticket and he did, and now you're here, and you're gonna do it anyway. Honey, look at this bill. I told her she couldn't buy that giant poster of Jared. That's bigger than Jared himself. That we had no place to hang in the house. Well, what can I tell you, Phil? She done it. Damn the hell. What got into that girl? The must! They got into that girl, and all that girl, you can't shower it off and you just get it becomes part of your DNA. You're going to be mustified by the end of this weekend. That's what happens. Robbie and I are mustified.
We've been mustified since the late 60s.
The building and Steve are mustified. The original Mike Warhol was mustified. We think that may be what killed him.
Howdy.
That's Robot Mike. That's not the real Mike. Mike's been replaced by Robot Mike, who's made of space age polymer. Yeah. And all kinds of wires. I don't know what it is. But we set him on down home this weekend. So he's going to be real folksy for you people. Mike, give a little taste of folksy.
Howdy, y'all all.
There you go. There we are. That's what we're talking about.
Just like normal.
Just like normal. This is so down home. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a hell of a weekend for you. And you know what I love about this moment right now? I'm getting to see who the true believers are. It's you, my friend. Our brand new people! And you are appointed into the party yet. And with you, Robbie and I are going to lead you down a light-filled, fun road of supernaturalistic joy and love, sharing and touching and hugging and a lot of sweating and a little stuff. But that's all part of the game. That's what you came for. You're in the locker room alone and we are your coaches. So let's do this thing. We have a soundtrack provided for you by Los Angeles indie sensation Loud and Swing right here in my lap. On the drums, playing sometimes on beat when they tell a joke, Steven Nugent. On the bass guitar, dribble modern science, Robot Mike Warhol. And on guitar, an outlaw, rebel. Our building in the 6th Street, he comes into your town, your fair city was doing just fine before he got there, and he came in, and at gunpoint, by gunpoint, I mean the car point, he's going to steal all of your hearts. And he's going to scoop up all the eligible ladies, and even some of those who are not eligible, and put them in the cell right and ride off, leaving the info going, what the hell just happened? I'll tell you what just happened. You just got ran over. Ladies and gentlemen, on the car, Billy Moran! Lyricist, guitar player, singer, frontman for this ensemble, and today plays a hell of a set of shakers. I call him Betty, you call him God. Rob Benedict! As you know, I like to do a little regional shaker tribute to the city in which we are performing. The city is Dallas, and thusly we are going to do something that's Dallas-centric for our shaker bit. Ladies and gentlemen, Rob Benedict doing interpretive shaker moments, starting with Robbie, a cowboy. A cowboy. Okay, let's get it up, Kevin. And now, switching things completely, the Cowboys, the Dallas Cowboys, America's team. And now, I'm going to go a completely different direction. A cow being milked by a boy. Not a man, a boy.
Hold it together, Billy.
There's the meaning. Oh, shucks. It's a very optimistic boy. Okay. It's a non-lactose, it's a lactose tolerant upbeat boy. That's good. I love it. Well done. And now, what goes better with milk? In a little salad, so I'd like to see a cow making a table side Caesar. A table side Caesar is made by a bovine. Making the table side Caesar with no opposable thumbs. Of the act. Some of you may have noticed, I don't know, maybe you didn't notice, there's some construction going on in the hotel. But I want you to know the creation. Adam, Gary, and Stephanie are also very much aware of the construction going on in the hotel and the problems that it's causing. They have addressed the issue to the stage. Adam Mayo, join me up here, William, to explain what's going on and how it's being handled so deftly.
Give it up for Richard and the band, everybody.
Adam, I know there's issues. What's going on?
Well, the hotel thought they were going to be done with their construction before this weekend. That was what they thought, but unfortunately things ran a little bit late. They feel very, very badly about it, as we did. So the hotel has very graciously offered some very lovely concessions.
Like popcorn and sodas?
No. Cotton candy? No.
Wiener dogs?
We're talking about dachshunds or things that you eat?
Either or, brother, I'm hungry.
For those of you that are staying in the hotel, if you're staying overnight in the hotel, first of all, they are going to comp you one of your nights. And those of you that are staying in the hotel, you're not going to have to pay for your overnight parking either. It's free.
Nice. Doesn't help us any, but nice.
And for those of you staying in the hotel, Rich and Rob will be coming to your room to visit you. And last but certainly not least, because God forbid we could be untethered from the web, anybody staying in a hotel room gets their internet for free.
Thank you, Gary. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, Creation, for showing this house. Robbie, that means you get one night free parking and all the porn they can eat. That is just, I mean, this hotel, I haven't been to this hotel. If for no reason.
Just to
For
get
the parking in the corner.
Yeah.
I mean, room is room. You gotta rent the car so I can park here, look at the web, look at shit, you can see it home.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
You eat the porn?
Whatever. Here's the point. When I talk about porn, I think of one person and one person only, and that's the person who's taking the stage. But this is Dallas, Texas, and this is Friday, and we decided why make it soft? Apparently, we can grab it, shake it, kick it in the ass. Ladies and gentlemen, Brianna Buckmaster. I love the having her.
Wow, Rich, you were not kicking this out. It's fucking sweaty.
I warned you. You can burn those extensions,
Jeez
sister.
Louise, what have you done? I'm just gonna give this back. There we go.
It would have been great if the hair came with it.
The mullet is
Like an
attached.
extra, little mullet on top of my hair.
This is better than a hot cup of coffee, Dallas. This is how you start a supernatural convention with this woman.
Alright, I love Brianna heaps, but my phone doesn't really have a temperature, so I'm
You're
not gonna
staying.
scope her panel right now.
Okay, great.
But I'm gonna stay and watch it.
This is the first time we've done this in a while. So, Brianna,